hit this mud hole right here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I guess you guys already seen the title of this video. I bought a new truck. Y'all can hear it idling in the background, can't you? Well, bam! Plow truck. 1991 Chevy 1500 with a V6 in it. 4.3 liter. As you can tell, I already took it mud bogging a little bit. Slinging some mud. Almost just got stuck in the ditch. But it's pulling. It's making it. The tailgate don't latch, so it just falls. I already took the headliner out. The exhaust already fell off, taking it home. So it's right off the manifolds right now. Brand new snow tires on it. Not very good in mud is what I'm figuring out. But yeah, only that plow light works. Only one brake light works, or slash tail light. But show you guys the inside. It's actually, the interior is pretty nice. All the gauges work. I mean, except for the that gauge doesn't work, but that's why that one's there. The oil pressure gauge doesn't work. Speedometer works. Them two work. Battery's junk. There's the plow control. And right now it's in 4 high. Let's take her for a rip ski. But gotta put on my seatbelt. It's real bumpy out here. Windshield wipers really don't work, and it's raining, so you know that's fun. Almost just got her stuck. I already told you that. Okay, drive. Oh, that's neutral. Drive. Oh yeah, only back brakes, because it blew a brake line in the right front. There's no power steering because that line blew. So that's fun. So this is going to be kind of, yeah, as you can see, I already kind of Tokyo'd it right there in 4-wheel. Yeah, see? Oh, brakes! No brakes! No steering. Oh, I need to reverse it. Hey, trees. I might as well just turn around. It's easier going the other way. It's real wet. It's real muddy. It's been raining all day. So, you know, that's fun. And driving one-handed, you know. With no power steering, by the way. I mean, it has some, but not a whole lot. We gotta hit this mud hole right here. We gotta do, this is full brakes right now. We gotta hit this thing. Slinging mud. Alright, let's see if we can avoid the ditch. Nope, not gonna be able to avoid it. Might as well hit it. I need to put you guys down. This is impossible to drive with one hand. See if y'all can see that. I know there's a mud spot. You guys gotta deal with it, and you gotta deal with the wiper. I guess that don't work. Oh. Come on, I got it. So I can't figure anything out, so I'm just gonna deal with it a little bit, you know. Yeah, I already took the headliner out, but you know. Yeah, she's loud. Come on, baby, turn! There it is, sideways now. No power steering, or very little power steering. Come on, crank, baby, crank. Oh boy. Make this turn! Oh, getting this right rut. There we go. Alright, now, smooth sailing. Maybe. Yep, follow the rut. I really don't want to take it through that hole because plow mount. But I'll show you all the plow. I won't be able to get out of this rut, so I'm just gonna have to stop right here. Stop, baby, stop. There we go. We're gonna park. Yeah, battery's drunk, so I brought the jump pack with me just in case. Alright. Yeah, see the plow mount right there? Just a couple inches off the ground. I gotta crank up the torsion bars in the front. I'll show you all the plow here. Yeah, right here's the plow. I mean, it's pretty nice. Decent. But, yeah. I'll get back to mud bogging. Yeah, right here is where I almost got stuck. You can tell I dug a little hole there, and that's the right front, that's the left front, that's the right front. But, whew, she's nice. Let's go mud bogging. I should have filmed it. I just went through the ditch completely sideways, man. I just wanted to floor it and see what would happen. But you know, now I'm sideways because I locked up the brakes. So I'm like, man, I should have filmed that, man. Let's go this way. Let's go through this mud hole right here. If I can hang on to her. Oh yeah, getting on it. Oh man. I'm at half tank of gas. It's the one up top. Let's see if I can make it in there. See if this truck will want to turn that way. Hit the brakes. Just sliding. Woo! Oh, man! Yeah, the bed's only connected by like 2 bolts. So, I don't want to send her too hard. Oh, no, not in the weeds. Alright, I guess I'll show you all the motor. Always be safe when you're mud bogging, because you never know when you're going to hit a hole and fly. Yeah, tailgate don't latch. I think I already told you that. I need to pop the hood. Pop the hood. It's muddy. Man, what happened? What happened? What's the hood latch? There it is. There it is. Hood latch sticks. Yeah, there it is. Open manifold, y'all can't see. Yeah. But, just a little 4.3 cylinder. That's it. Yeah, she got kind of muddy. Alright, guys, I guess, well, I'll show you all the exhaust tank. I guess you really can't see it, but back here, you can see it right there. So I'm going to take my Sawzall at it either tomorrow or the day after and just hack it off. It's just dangling there, it's just getting beat up and beating stuff up. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.